Hi, this is Stan with DreamWall here at InfoComm 2026, where we're introducing a number of products. This one here is this is actually not a production product, but it's a precursor to a new higher end line that we have coming out later this year. This is a 0.7 pixel pitch, very high resolution display. This is in a Cinemascope format. It's a 21:9 aspect ratio. Very high resolution display, which I think might show up in the video and might not. It's hard to translate what we see here onto a video, but this is the new high resolution 0.7 pixel pitch Cinemascope set. So thank you for coming to visit us here at the DreamWall booth in InfoComm 2026. Please visit our website at www.dreamwall.net. Dreamwall.net. Thanks again.